To recover your YouTube account, follow these steps. 1. Go to the YouTube sign-in page. Visit youtube.com and click on Sign In. 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you can't remember your password, click on this link. 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your YouTube account and click Next. 4. Follow the prompts. Google will guide you through the recovery process. You may need to verify your identity through a phone number or recovery email. 5. Reset your password. Once verified, you can create a new password. 6. Check for additional recovery options. If you can't access your recovery options, click on Try Another Way to see if there are alternative methods to recover your account. 7. Contact support. If you're still having trouble, you can visit the Google Account Recovery page for more assistance. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided during the recovery process.